Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a dash cam that I bought from Amazon here in my video today. Let's find out this $50 dash cam whether actually works or not. Let's open this together and see what's inside this package. Okay, the first things here is the front dash camera. Okay, the manufacturer name is called, I think it's called Beyond Lee or Beyond A, whatever. And the SD cards here and some control switches on this side and some on this side as well. And on the top you can see here is the AV and USB connector. And at the bottom you can see the reset and microphone. And the screen is about 3 inches wide. And the second things here is the user manual. And some step-by-step user guide, I think. I will read this later on. And this cloth, I believe, is for you to clean the lens. And this one will be the suction cup for you to mount, the camera on your windshield. And USB cable. And this one is the charger. Okay, this one I think is a reversing and the rear camera. I hope the wire is long enough for my truck. And this one here, honestly I have no clue, but I think this is for you to remove the SD card. And some, double coated tape, clips here. I will figure this out how to use it. And this one here. Okay, yeah, I like this. Yeah, you can insert the SD card here and convert this, to the USB. Yep, I think that's it. I think the biggest things I would like to find out how long is the cord. So the cord is about 19 feet long. Okay, it comes to the installation part right now. I know it's always best, install the dash cam right in the middle of your windshield and behind the mirror. But this one you might want to be careful if you have a new car, new truck, because many new vehicles come with a sensor right behind the mirror here. So in this case, I would like to place, my web dash cam right underneath this box. Alright, the installation is complete. Here still have the room for you to turn left and right and also back and forth a little bit. And I hide, the cable right underneath the carpets and beside the door. And unfortunately, the backup camera it won't reach to the tailgates, so I have to set up there temporary for testing. Okay, this one is taking from the rear cam, and I would say the quality is kind of bad. And I remember I did a right turn, it's not the left turn. Things kind of like left and right is totally reversed it. And when you look closely, you can tell is things wrong, in this video. Things kind of like reversed it, yeah. And you should see, how to spell all is A-L-L, but right now it kind of looks funny. So another rear cam video, and this one's taking at the night time. I think I don't have to say too much. It's totally failed, this video. I couldn't even see anything at the back, until it gets very close to my truck. So I would say the rear cam at nighttime is useless.
This video is taken from the front camera at the daytime and nighttime. 1080p resolution, I would say it's just okay. Not very good, but acceptable. I can see things no problem in this video, but definitely cannot compare to those $200 dash cams. If you have budget, if you have money, I still recommend you guys to buy those $200 ones. But $50 dash cam comes with like 32 gig SD card and a rear cam. I would say we cannot expect too much, but when you got into an accident, everyone would like to provide a better quality footage, right? I let you guys to judge, yeah, and please leave down a comment and tell me what do you think. Thank you for watching.